Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can access AI powered templates by Monday. Open your workspace and then click on this icon and then go into template center and then click on this one AI power, and from here you can see different templates. Let's say we select this one. You can choose the workspace in which you want to install. Let's say you want to install in the same workspace. Just click on use template. It would automatically create the templates with all the automations as well, and a guide with that as well. So you can read the guide with the name of get started, and if you want to access the board you can click on that board, and then you can see all the data here like that. You can see that they are using the translation AI, and then urgency, request type, category. So the icon besides the urgency means it is AI powered. So this is how you can access the AI powered templates. Thanks for watching.